Hey guys, today we have a Surface Pro 3 and you can see that it's been obviously dropped and the screen is completely cracked. We just got a new screen in today, so we're going to go ahead and take this screen apart and get it back up and working. Now unfortunately you can't remove the batteries because literally the battery is underneath the screen, because I usually like taking the batteries out of my laptops before I even change anything. But so with this, we're just gonna use one of these tools and we're gonna go along the side here and peel all the way around the screen. You can already see that I removed a lot of the glass that was kind of just loose. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I like to start, there's a little gap here on the sides, on both the sides, so we can go ahead and try to peel up on there. And you want to make sure you come this way up, because underneath here there's a ribbon cable, and there's a ribbon cable here that we don't want to rip or anything, so we want to make sure we peel it up this way and back. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so like I said, let's go here right here on the side, and let's go ahead and begin to peel back and kind of wedge ourselves in there. Start to peel that back. This one was actually pretty easy. I like to get underneath there. Oh, that was really easy. And like I said, you just want to peel it back and up because there's ribbon cables underneath. So the first one you want to do is this connector right here. Yep, there we go. And then the one that's actually on the screen, peel that off. Once you have that off, then you can safely remove that screen. And now let's go ahead and get the new screen. Alright, we have our new screen here. So you can see that we still have the same connectors. So you're going to peel that tape off. You want to be very gentle because these things can rip really easy, these ribbon cables. So let's go ahead and hook up this one first. Alright. Once you have that one in place, then you get the second one in. Just make sure it's firmly pressed down in there. Alright, once you know you got these firmly on there, just line up your corners to make sure it's all flushed in there. And apply some pressure. Sometimes you might have to use some super glue or some double-sided tape. Not the double-sided tape, but some kind of double tape adhesive that you can pick up online, because sometimes you just have to replace that adhesive for it to fully fit on. So yeah, it looks like we got a pretty good seal there, and then you can go ahead and take off your screen protector glass. Everyone loves peeling those off. Like on a brand new computer. Remove that off. And that's just beauty now. And let's go ahead and power her up. See if we get any screen. Look at that. Beautiful. I love when things just work. So yeah, you just replaced within a couple minutes your screen. So you are all set.